My name is Stachua Rainville. I own Epoxy Floors by Above the Board. We're based out of Providence, Rhode Island. I sought out the concrete protector because I saw some of their products online. We've been installing systems for the last 6 years. We're trained in 8 different companies now. So we install a lot of different systems, and we came down to the training, and man, I'll tell you what, the systems that these guys offer, they're unbelievable. They've got some systems that just nobody can match, and we're going to be adding them to our lineup. It's an unbelievable setup. This training, guys, you gotta take the training. It's worth it, you know. And the instructors, Dustin, you know, he did an amazing job. And like I said, 6 years in the industry, a lot of different products. You can still learn stuff. We've been to a ton of trainings, and I'll tell you what, here at the Concrete Protector, you gotta try it, see what they got, and they're gonna help you grow your business. You gotta do it.